Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, in previous video, we reviewed 4-digit number according to Indian system. Students, I hope you all watched that video. Students, let us learn today 5-digit number according to Indian system. Observe this chart. Students, the 5-digit number, in which period it will come? 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which period it will come? 1000. Yes, it will comes under 1000. Then what is the place value of 5-digit number? Place value of 5-digit number is 10,000. The 5-digit comes in 1000 period and place value of 5-digit number it is 10,000. Students, in previous class we studied about smallest number and largest number from 1 digit to 5 digits. Let us recall 1 digit smallest number it is 1 and largest number it is 9, and 2 digit smallest number it is 10 and largest or greatest number it is 99. How we get smallest 3-digit number? When add to the greatest number 2-digit number plus 1, we get what here? Smallest 3-digit number, that is 100, and largest number it is 999. When I add 1 to that, we get 4-digit smallest number, that is 1000. Ones, tens, hundred. Way to insert comma? After finishing one's period. After finishing one's period, we have to insert a comma. Next, largest number 4-digit it is 9999. Next, 5-digit smallest number it is 10,000. Next here, largest 5-digit number 99,999. Students, remember when to insert a commas. After finishing every period, we have to insert a commas. See students, these are the periods according to Indian system. See, after every period, in one's period, which all numbers come? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, we have to insert comma. And 1000 period, which now how many numbers? 4, 5 digit. We have to insert a comma. Next, in lakh period, 6 and 7. And in crore, they start from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tell me, in this number, where to insert comma? There is need to insert comma here? No, there is no need to insert because only one period it is. Now, where to insert comma here? After 5. Why? Because one period it is finished, that is one's period is finished. After completing this period, we have to insert a comma. In this, first one's period, ones, tens, hundred, we should insert a comma. After finishing, which period it will come? 1000. How many place value in 1000? 2. 1000, 10,000. We have to insert a comma because 1000 period it is completed. So we have to insert a comma. Okay. Next here, of 8 and 9. Ones, tens, 100. It completes one period, that is one's period, and here 1000 period it is completed. Here lakh. So how are you going to read here? 49,76,876. Understood? Complete this table. See what they have given. Write the numbers and number names. In this table, in first row they have given 10,000. In last row they have given 9,000, and fill the middle rows. After 10,000, which number will come? 10,000. 10,000, add again 10,000 here. For 10,000 it will come 20,000. How to read? The number is 20,000 and number name it is 20,000. Next, after 20,000, which number? Adding 10,000. 10,000 adding 10,000. Why I am adding here 10,000? We have to reach here 90,000. So add 10,000 for each row. Like for second row it is 20,000, and for 20,000 again add 10,000. We get here 30,000. 30,000. And next for fourth row, add again 10,000 to 30,000. We get what here? 40,000. That is 40,000. 40,000. Complete this table till 90,000 by adding 10,000 to the previous row. Now let us study how to read a 5-digit number. See first example, 13247. How many digits are there? 5 digits. Now, way to insert a comma? After finishing ones period, ones, tens, hundred. It finishes ones period. After 3, we have to insert a comma. Okay. Next, read. How to read this number? 13,247. 13,247. See next example, 3205. How many digits? 5 digits. Next, way to insert comma? After 2. Next, read now. 32,058. 32,058. There is no value in 100, so we have to leave and read next place value, that is 32,058. Don't read like that. 32,058. It is a wrong method. We have to read 32,058. See next example. 51. How many digits here? 5 digits. Way to insert comma? After 1, because here one's period is completed. So we have to insert a comma after 1. Next, read this number, 51,407. See now they have left tens value, means they have given 0 to the tens place value. So we have to read 51,407. Don't read like that. 51,407. It is a wrong method. Read 51,407. It is a correct method. Read this number and write their number names. See first question what they have given. 11,234. Read this number and write their number names. Next, 20,408. 20,408. How to read this number? 20,408 and write number names. 20, thousand 408. Yes. Next year, read this number: 46,000. 46,000. Next, read this number: 68,789. 789. Next year, CH question: 85,698. 85,698. Next, go for J question. Here, 64,800. 6. Next, L question: 82,000. How to read? 82,061. 82,061. This is the method to write numbers and their number names according to Indian system, which I left. Take it as a homework. Next, shall we learn about place value. Students, I have discussed about place value in previous class. Then what do you mean by place value? Place value is nothing but position of the number. We have studied Indian system. In Indian system, the place value start ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These are the place value according to Indian system. Now let us recognize place value of a circled digit. They have given: write the place value of a circled digit in each number. See students, first question, which is a circled digit here? 3. Now we have to write a place value of a 3. Read place value from right to left. That is ones, 4 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 6 in 100 place, 4 in 1000 place, and 3 in which place? 10,000 place. So the circle digit is 3. Which place 3 is in? 3's place value is 10,000. 10,000, and it reduces to what here? The place value is 30,000. 3 place value is 10,000. 10,000, and its place value will become 30,000. Next, here we have the circle digit, it is 8. Circle digit, it is 8. 8 is in 10. Which place now? 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 8 is in which place? 1000 place. 8 is in 1000 place. Is it? Okay. And its place value becomes? Its place value reduced to what here? 8,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 8,000. Next here, D question you see. In this which number it is circled? 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in 100 place. Which place? 100 place. Now its place value become what here? Place value equals to 400. See next here. G question. Which number is encircled here? 5. 5 in which place? Ones, tens. 5 is in tens place. And its place value is? Place value is 50. Next see this question. 4. Encircled digit it is 4. Which place it is now? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4 is in 1000 place. Next, its value becomes what here? 4000. 4000. Okay, insert comma here after ones, tens, hundred. We have to insert here comma. And in this we get here comma? No, only one period we have. So we can't put comma here. For this number ones, tens, hundred, we have to insert comma here. Next here no need. It is incomplete period. Okay. Next means see, write the place of circled digit in each number. Circled digit we have to write the place. Which place it has took. Okay. Example 26300. How many digits? 5 digits. Which place digit is encircled? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is encircled in 1000 place. Okay. Here 3 is encircled. Where 3 has took place here? Ones, tens, hundred, tens, thousand, 10,000. We have to write here 10,000. Next here 6 is encircled. Which place it has took? Ones, tens, hundred. In this 7 is encircled. Which place it is? Ones place. Ones place it has. Students, the problems which I left from this main and this main, take it as a homework. To write expanded notation, first we have to draw a chart. That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. According to digits we have to draw a chart. Here 5 digit, so 5 digit, that it takes till 10,000. Okay, now 3 is in which place now? 10,000 place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. In 10,000 we have to write 3 into 10,000 into 10,000. Here 6 in which place? 1000 place. 6 into 1000. Next 8 is in which place? 100 place into 100. And 4 is in which place? 10 place. 4 into 10. And 5 in which place? Ones place. 5 is in ones place. 4 is in tens place. 8 is in 100th place. 6 is in 1000. 3 is in 10,000. Next, express this value 30,000 and 6 has written as 6,000. Why? Because 6 took in 1000 place. 8 has 800, 4 has 40, 5 has 5. And write expanded form means 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 5. This is the expanded notation of the given number. First we have to draw a chart and insert all the numbers in table, and last step we have to express the numbers place values as in addition form, that is 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 5. This is a method to write in expanded notation. See first question, what they have given? 12,345. What to do now? We have to write these numbers in expanded notation. First step, we have to draw a chart, place value chart. First question, 12,345. 5, which place it has took? Ones place. Next 4 in tens place. 3 is in 100 place. 2 is in 1000 place. 1 is in 10,000 place. Next step, what to do? Now we have to express the values. Means 1 means which place it has took? 10,000. 1 into 10,000. And 2, which place it has took? 1000 place. 2 into 1000. 3, which place it has took? 3 into 100. 4 into 10. 5, which place it has took? 5 into 1. Next, multiply this all. 1 into 10,000, that is 10,000. 2 into 1,000, 2,000. Observe commas. And 3 into 100, 300. 4 into 10, 40. 5 into 1, 5. Now we have to write in expanded form. Last step it is, we have to write this number values in addition form. That is 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. This is the expanded notation of given number. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. See next example, what they have given? 34,879. 34,875. Okay, insert these numbers. 3 is in which place? 10,000. 4 in 1000. 8 in 100 place. 7 in tens place. 9 in ones place. Okay, and express according to place value. 3 is in which place? 3 into 10,000. 4 into 1000. 8 into 100. 7 into 10. 9 into 1. And multiply these numbers. 3 into 10,000, 30,000. 4 into 1,000, 4,000. 8 into 100, 800. 7 into 10, 70. 9 into 1, 9. Okay. Next last step it is, we have to write in addition form. 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9. This is a expand notation in the given number. This is a step. First we have to follow table and multiple place values and expand given number in addition form. Next step, next question, 80,405. See, 5 is which place? Ones place. 0 is in which place? Tens place. 4 is in which place? 100 place. 0 is in which place? 1000 place. 8 is in which place? 10,000 place. Now into which, with the place value, 8 into 10,000, 0 into 1000, 4 into 100, 0 into 10, 5 into 1. Okay. Next, multiply these numbers. 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Here 0 into 1000, 0. 4 into 100, 400. 0 into 10, 0. 5 into 1, 5. Now, when we get 0, we have to exclude that number. We have to exclude that place. See, 80,000 plus 400 plus 5. This much only we have to write. We have to exclude this 1010 because value of 1000 is 0, value of 10 is 0. So we have to exclude 0 values or place value of 0. So the last answer, it is 80,000 plus 400 plus 5 is the expanded notation of the given number. Take this to as a homework. Follow this method only. Don't write direct last answer. Follow this method. Put in place value chart and expand by addition form. Okay. How to write this number? Write this number in expanded form. First, given word number write in numerical form. 50,005. How to write 50,005? 50,005. Okay, this is a numerical form of a given numeral. Now we have to write in expanded form. Expanded form is we have to write in addition form. Yes, 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. Next, all these, the rest of numbers are zeros. We have to exclude these numbers and write direct 5. 5 is in which place? Tens place. 5 in ones place. 5 into 1. Next step, into this number, that is 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000, it is 50,000 plus 5 into 1, it is 5. This is the expanded notation for given numeral form. Next question you see, 93,265. Write in numeric form, numeral form into numeric form. 93,000, yes, 265. We have to insert comma, 265. Now write in expanded form. Direct I will write. 9 is in which place? 10,000 place. That is 90,000. 3 is in which place? 3,000 place. So it becomes 3,000. Next 2 is in which place? 100 place. 2 into 100 is 200. 6 is in which place? Tens place. 60. And 5 is in ones place? 5. This is the expanded notation for second problem. Next, greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number, it is 99,999. They have given in numeral form. We have to write in first numeric. In numeric and expand this number. 99. This 9 is in which place? 10,000. 9 into 10,000. Okay. Next 9 is in 1,000 place. 9 into 1,000 plus 9 is in which place? 9 into 100 plus this 9 is in tens place. 9 into 10 plus and this 9 in ones place. Okay. Next 9 into 10,000, it is 90,000. Okay. After 90 we have to insert comma. Next here 9 into 1,000, 9,000. After 9 we have to insert comma plus 9 into 100 900 plus 9 into 10 90 plus 9. This is the expanded notation for this given numerical form. Understood? Next concept, it is writing the numbers in standard form. Here standard form is what here? We have to notify the number value, means number place value. See, here they have given expanded form. They have given in expanded form. Now we have to write in standard form. Standard form is according to place value. First 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8. This is in which form? Expanded form. Now we have to write in standard form. Standard form is here. See, here 50,000. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. Which place? 10,000 place. Next, plus 4,000. 4 is in which place? 1,000 place. Next, 2, which place? 100 place. Next, 3, which place? 10 place. So, we have to write 3 tens place. 8 is in ones place. To write in standard form, first step we have to make a table, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. And according to expanded form, we have to insert the number here. 5 is in 10,000, 4 is in 1,000, 2 is in 100, 3 is in 10, 8 is in 1. Lastly, we have to write 54,238, and this is a form of standard. This is standard form. Okay, understood? Next, see. Next number problem they have given 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 30 plus 9. This is expanded form. Now we have to write in standard form. Standard form is according to place value we have to write. First step we have to make a table, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, or ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is a table. Next, insert these numbers. 80,000 means 8 is in which place? 10,000 place. 4,000 means 4 which place? 4,000 place. 100 they have given? No, directly they went to the tens place. So, hundreds place we have to write 0. Next, in tens place they have given 30. 30 is nothing but 3. We have to write here. In ones place they have given 9. Here the left number, the left place value it is here 100. So in the place of 100 we have to write 0. We should not exclude. We have to compulsory write while writing standard form. While writing expanded form we can exclude, but in writing in standard form compulsory we have to mention left place value, that is 100 place value we have here not given, so we have inserted here 0. Thus the standard form it will become 84,039. 84,039. Next, see here, next example, 50,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 7. They have given in expanded form. Now we have to write in standard form. Standard form means we have to fill the position, means we have to write in place value. 50,000, 50 means which place now? 10,000 place. So we have to write in 5 here. In 1,000 place they have given? No. So we have to insert a 0. We have to write 0. Don't leave 0. And 300 means which 3 is in which place? 100 place. So 100 place taken as 3. And 60, 6 which place now? Tens place. In ones place they have given 7. So standard form reduced to what here? 50,367. Dear students, another method to write expanded form to standard form, simply we have to add this given numbers. See here, 50,000 first plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 8, it is 8. Here 0, 0, 0, 3, 3. 0 plus 0 plus 2, it is 2. 0 plus 4, it is 4. 5. See, this will become standard form. After 54, we have to insert comma. What it reduce? 54,238. Next, see next here. Another problem, 50,000. 50,000. Next number they have given 3,000. Next they have given 60 and 7 they have given. Add this all. We get what here? 53,067. 53,067. So this is another method to write expanded form into standard form. There are two methods. First, in direct inserting in place value chart and or by addition. Any one method you can follow. Let's see now exercise problem. Write in the standard form. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 10 plus 3. Okay, this number insert in place value chart. Here 1 is in which place? 10,000 place. So write 1 in 1 here. Next 4 is in which place? 1000 place. And in 100 place they have given? No. So write in 100 place 0. Next in tens place 1. And in ones place 3. So lastly we write 14,013. 14,013 is a standard form for given expanded number. Okay. Next 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 30. Here 6,000. 6 is in which place? 10,000 place. Next 1000 is in which place? 2. And in 600 which place? 6 is in 100 place. They have given tens place. Tens value? No. So we have to write here 0. Next they have given tens place, that is 3. 3. Tens place is 3 and ones place is 0. Okay. Now the standard form reduced to 62,630. Next problem, 40,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 4. Okay. 40,000 means which place? 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. Next 200 which place? 100 place. They have given 1000 value? No. Now we have to write 0. 200 means which place? 100 place. 50 means 5 is in tens place. 4 means ones. This standard form reduced to 40,254. Okay, 40,254 is a standard form for expanded number. Now 80,000 means which place? 8 is in 10,000 place. 5,000, 5 is in which place? 1,000 place. Next 500, 500 means 5 in which place? 100 place. 20, 20 in which place? Tens place. And they have given ones place? No. Right here 0. The standard form reduced to 85,520. Okay, see next question. 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 6. 30,000. 30,000 means 3 is in which place? 10,000 place. 3,000 in 1,000 place. 400 here 100 place. 60 is in tens place. 6 is in ones place. Okay. The standard form reduced to what here? 33,466. Next 50,000 plus 7000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 2. Which place? 50,000. 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. 7 is in which place? 1000 place. 800. 8 is in 100 place. 7 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. The standard form reduced to 57,000, 872. This is the standard form of given problem, and these 3 take as a homework. Okay, insert comma here after ones, tens, 100. We have to insert here comma, and in this we get here comma? No, only one period we have, so we can't put comma here. For this number ones, tens, 100, we have to insert comma here. Next here no need, it is incomplete period. Okay, next means see, write the place of circled digit in each number. Circled digit we have to write the place, which place it has took. Okay, example 26300. How many digits? 5 digits. Which place digit is encircled? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6 is encircled in 1000 place. Okay, here 3 is encircled. Where 3 has took place here? Ones, tens, 100, tens, 1000, 10,000. We have to write here 10,000. Next here 6 is encircled. Which place it has took? Ones, tens, 100. In this 7 is encircled. Which place it is? Ones place. Ones place it has. See, exercise, insert lesser than or greater than sign. Which sign it is? Less than. Less than, and this sign it is greater than. Greater than. Okay, we have to remember 2 steps while solving, comparing the numbers. See students, in left side what they have given? 18,732. In right side they have given 49,642. First step it is, we have to count the digits. In left side how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In left side 5 digits. In right side here also 5 digits. So we can't conclude which is greater here. Next step what it is? We have to see the position of the numbers. First go with first number. First number here 1. Which place it has took? 10,000. In 10,000 place is 1. Here in right side, in 10,000 place which number it has? 4. Here 4 is greater than 1. Is it? Yes, 4 is greater than 1. So 49,642 is greater than 18,732. Now which sign we have to insert? Less than. How to read now? 18,732 less than 49,642. Okay, understood? Next, go with second question. Comparing. In left side what number I have given? 66,790. 66,790. Here right hand side 66,490. First step what it is? We have to count digit. Here also 5 digit. Here also 5 digit. Next go with the second step. What we have to read the position of the numbers. In 10,000 place, here 6. In left side 6. Here also right side also 6. We can't conclude this which is greater. And in go with 1000 place. Here also 6. Here also 6. Then also from this also we can't conclude which is a greater number. And go with the next place value, which is 100. Here in 100 place what they have given? 7. And here 4 in 100 place what they have given? 4. Here which digit is more here in 100 place? 7 is more. From this we can conclude 66,790 is greater than 66,490. How to read this? 66,790 is greater than 66,490. Next problem. Next here also count the digits, 5 digits. And next step it is we have to see the place value or position of the number. In 10,000 2, here also 2. So by this we can't conclude which is greater. Go with next place value, that is 1000. 1000 place, here 9, here 8. Which number is greater here? 9. So by this we can say 29,618 is greater than 28,794. This is about comparing of a number through by digits and place value. Now we have learnt about comparing. Now shall we start ordering a 5-digit number? Ordering means we have to write in ascending form or descending form. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Descending means bigger to smaller. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Descending bigger to smaller number. See first example. They have given numbers. 99,999. Next 8,888. 98,998. Which number is smaller? First go with ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger number. Smaller to bigger number. And descending order means here bigger to smaller number. First in these numbers which is small? 88,888. We have to write first. And second which is small? 98,998. We have to write second. Next third number which is the last number, highest digit go to the last, 99,999. Now we have to write in descending order. Descending order means we have to write in bigger to smaller form. First number it will goes 99,999 and second number 98,998 and 888,888. We go with exercise problem. Write in ascending order. Ascending order. Which number is smaller in this? 38,175. Next number takes here 46. 46,400. Next 49,300. Descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Which is bigger number? 49,300. And next 46,400. Next number 38,175. It will be this. Go with C problem, that is which write in ascending order. 34,698. 34,698. Next number will be 34,699 and 34,873. This will be descending order. And ascending order. Descending order bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller 34,873 and next number 34,699 and last number will be 34,698. These are the ascending order and descending order. Dear students, these are the concepts which covered in first chapter, that is introduction to 5 digits number. Students, practice it and take clarity in every concept. Thank you.